I'm Ian Slater, and welcome to this divine penthouse. Located in the heart of Manhattan's West Chelsea Gallery District, this apartment occupies the entire top floor of the General Theological Seminary condominium. Occupying 3,800 square feet in addition to 900 square feet of terraces, it has a seamless integration of old and new, and I can't wait to show it to you. Entering the great room, you're immediately struck by its grand proportions, over 41 feet facing south over West 20th Street, what the New York Times once called downtown's most beautiful block. And then you get to appreciate all of the beautiful details created by starchitect Alan Wanzenberg, who custom built this entire apartment. This includes a wood-burning fireplace with custom hand-laid tiles in addition to this gorgeous hardwood herringbone floor. Now let's take into consideration the flexibility that such a large room allows you. You can have multiple seating areas, a huge dining room, and 2 egresses out onto this 900 square foot terrace, which has an additional outdoor dining table, a grill, and more seating along the southern side, making it the perfect place to have your Last Supper al fresco at this beautiful 8-person outdoor dining table. One of the best things about sitting atop this perch over the townhouses on West 20th Street is that you get views of all of the new starchitect buildings along the High Line. And then there's this 50 foot of southern frontage. Can you say catwalk, anybody? Right off of the great room, we have this heavenly chef's kitchen with custom cabinetry, imported marble, and my favorite part, this integrated chopping block where you can push your food waste into this trash receptacle. And then we have an appliance suite that would satisfy any god of cuisine. As you can see, this apartment was built for entertaining. This is a bar area custom built right off of the great room in the kitchen. So much so actually that the owner was inspired to create his own spirit, the aptly named Godka, a perfect blend of gin and vodka. Off of the central corridor, you have a den, an office, and 3 bedrooms, including the primary suite. But before I show you the primary suite, I want to take this opportunity to show you my favorite room in this apartment, this corner kids' bedroom. What better place to read a bedtime story than this fairy tale setting, surrounded by Gothic architecture on all sides and the New York City skyline. My God, look at this primary suite. With cathedral-like proportions of over 21 feet in width, this room also enjoys all-day light from its protected views over the courtyard of the seminary. And for those cold winter nights, there's a second wood-burning fireplace, again with custom tile. Also in the suite is an enormous custom built-out walk-in closet, in addition to a sumptuous primary bath. Now this penthouse is a duplex, which means it has its very own stairway to... You get it at this point. We have ascended to the Mount Olympus of Chelsea. This is the primary suite's own private deck with its own Zen den. It has plenty of space to come hang out, read, chill, or commune with all your friends. It's also the perfect place to end this tour. So if you like this place as much as I do, don't wait for divine intervention. Give me a call.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.